Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to share files to group contacts in Google Drive, 2025. With Google's ongoing updates, sharing files has become even more seamless, perfect for teams, families, or friends collaborating on projects. Whether you're a student sharing notes or a professional exchanging documents, this feature saves time and boosts productivity. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Drive open. If you haven't already, create a group of contacts in your Google Contacts. It's super straightforward. Go to contacts.google.com, select the people you want to group, and create a new label for them. That's your group ready to go. Now, head over to Google Drive. Locate the file you want to share. Could be a doc, a spreadsheet, or even a folder. Right-click on it and select Share, or click the share icon if you're in the file preview. In the sharing window, you'll see an option to add people or groups. Type in the name of your group label that you created earlier. Google will suggest it as you type. Pretty cool, right? Next, set the permissions. You can choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, based on how much access you want to give. For example, if it's a collaborative project, go with Editor, so everyone can make changes. Don't forget to add a message if you want, like, "Hey team, check this out." Once everything looks good, hit Send. Your file is now shared with the entire group. One handy tip for 2025. Google Drive now has enhanced notifications, so your group members will get an email or in-app alert right away. If you need to manage access later, just go back to the shared file and adjust the settings. There you have it. Sharing files to group contacts in Google Drive is quick and efficient. Give it a try on your next project and see how it streamlines your workflow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips.